guys, how's it going? So today's video is quite a bit different than normal. Some of our help that we normally have, you know, to help watch Benjamin while we make videos and edit videos when we're done, they were all on vacation last week. So we tried to muddle through and keep content coming on a daily basis, but we are behind by a day. So it actually worked out a little bit perfect because I wanted to make a video announcing a giveaway for bulbs. So we are partnering with Color Blends again this year to give away a bunch of bulbs. And typically we don't announce the giveaway until we plant the bulbs in the fall, which sometimes is in October, and that gets to be kind of late. Some of you are kind of past the point of planting at that time, or maybe all the varieties that you really like have been sold out. So I wanted to let you guys know that we're doing the giveaway earlier this year. 2 months earlier almost, so you guys have a chance, if you were to be one of the winners, to get what bulbs you want. So here's how it works. We are going to be posting this video on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. There will be 6 winners. We're giving away with Color Blends 2 groups of 100 bulbs, 2 groups of 200 bulbs, and 2 groups of 500 bulbs. We'll be picking 2 winners from each platform, so you can enter 3 times. Just find this video on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube and make a comment, and all you have to put in the comment is how many bulbs you would like to win. The only requirements is that they can only ship within the 48 states, and they will ship them at the time that they're appropriate for your growing zone. And I do know some people that maybe live across the border and they have friends in the US where they can have them shipped to, or maybe you want to enter for a friend or something like that. That's totally fine, even if you don't live here, as long as you have a US address that you can give. But Color Blends has a bunch of beautiful things. In fact, we just did a video recently, it was last week. I went through my 2019 fall bulb order, and then I told you kind of how things went, how things grew for us, and then I shared my bulb order for this year. And they still have so many beautiful, beautiful things. I think there's a couple of things that are sold out, but that's the thing, I heard that and I thought, we've got to get this giveaway going so you guys have a chance to get the things that you want. So anyway, I'm super excited about it. It's always fun to be able to, you know, see what you guys pick out and what you guys plant, because I always get to usually see pictures of things once they start to bloom for you. So we'll be running this giveaway for 1 week. We'll announce the winners at the beginning of our recap video next week, which we put those videos up on our second channel called Garden Answer Highlights. So if you didn't know about that channel already, we put all of our weekly recap videos, all of our mail time videos, and some other things that we do extra on that channel. So again, it's called Garden Answer Highlights, so be watching that channel to see the winners of this giveaway contest. And also you could subscribe and hit the little bell, I think, for notifications, and you can be notified when we do post that video if you want to. So anyway, I wish you all the best of luck. Thank you guys for watching this video, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.